In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an animated number counter to your Wix website, a fantastic way to display statistics or data points dynamically. This feature can enhance user interaction on your site, making it more engaging and professional. Let's dive in and get you set up with this impressive feature right away. First, you'll want to open your Wix website editor. If you haven't already logged into your Wix account, go ahead and do that. Once you're in, choose the website you want to edit and head over to the editor. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of tools and options. We want to focus specifically on enabling developer features, which will allow us to add some custom code necessary for this counter functionality. Next, look for the option labeled Dev Mode on your editor toolbar. This mode is what allows Wix users to incorporate custom code into their websites. Click on Dev Mode and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you'll want to click on Turn on Dev Mode. Once this is activated, a code panel will appear at the bottom of your screen. This panel is where all the magic happens and is central to implementing your animated number counter. Now, with Dev Mode active, navigate to the code panel. This panel is a space where you can input JavaScript code to execute on your website, providing the logic for our number counter. You'll need to type in your specific code here. If you have a script ready for your counter, paste it directly into the code editor. If your counter involves complex operations, be sure to include necessary calculations and logic for them to reflect accurately on your site. Remember, the code must be written correctly for the counter to function properly. After your code is in place, it's time to see it in action. Click over to the preview option in the Wix editor. This option lets you experience how your site behaves from a visitor's perspective. In the preview mode, navigate to the section where you've incorporated the animated counter. You should see it spring into action with numbers incrementing or counting down as per your configuration. Take a moment to ensure everything operates smoothly. If not, return to the code panel to tweak and refine until you achieve the desired outcome. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and operates, you can click on Publish to make your changes live. Now, your visitors can witness the sleek animated number counter on your Wix site, adding a professional touch and engaging element to your webpage. That's it. Your animated counter is ready to impress. Thank you for tuning in today, and be sure to check back for more tips and tricks to enhance your web presence.